Ever been confused by some of the bizarre diets people follow? Ever wondered if they actually work? Throughout human history, dietary habits have varied wildly, leading to numerous fascinating routines. Some prefer high-fat diets, others stick to rigid regimes. Seemingly unusual, they all have scientific basis. But are they advantageous or fraught with risks? We'll delve into these peculiar food habits, bringing clarity and insight. Come along as we set out on this captivating journey into the realm of bizarre diets. Before we delve deeper into our main topic, let's take a quick look at the diets. From the hunter-gatherer days, diets were molded by what nature had to offer. The switch to an agrarian society, marked by the Neolithic period, saw a shift in our food sources. We began cultivating crops and rearing livestock, thereby introducing variety into our meals. Trade routes in later centuries brought about further diversification in diets, exposing people to new foods and spices. The rise of industrialization and modern food practices resulted in a surge of processed and convenience foods, shaping the current dietary trends. Diets have always been a reflection of the times and the environment, influenced by several factors including accessibility and culture. But as we traverse further into the future, it's key to remember that our food choices impact not only our well-being, but also the planet. Our dietary habits influence much more than our physical shape. They also have profound impact on our overall health and the state of the environment. The Global Nutrition Report highlights how our foods significantly shape our wellness and the world around us. Diets filled with red and processed meats not only impact health, but also contribute to environmental degradation and resource depletion. A balanced diet consists of fruits, vegetables, healthy nuts, whole grains, and unsaturated fats. It also involves minimizing red and processed meats, sugary drinks, refined grains, and saturated fats. Our dietary decisions are far-reaching and affect more than just our individual health. Animal-based diets leave a larger environmental footprint than plant-based ones. A steak, for example, is more than just a meal. It also represents a considerable environmental burden. From the water needed for cattle farming to the greenhouse gas emissions from livestock production, our food choices trigger a chain reaction that affects the planet. However, despite the clear evidence supporting a balanced diet, progress has been slow. The consumption of healthy food has slightly improved in the decade, while the intake of red and processed meats has increased. The truth is, our dietary decisions have effects that go beyond our personal health, significantly shaping the health of both ourselves and our planet. Have you ever wondered why some people choose to go vegan, while others opt for a carnivorous diet? The solution lies within the complex maze of our thoughts. At the very core, societal influence and hold considerable sway over our food choices. As residents of a society where leanness often equates to beauty, this perspective may coerce individuals into embracing stringent diets to attain the so-called perfect body. However, the matter extends beyond mere nourishment, dovetailing with our self-view and the way we speculate others perceive us. Secondly, our individual ethics and principles are major determinants of the way we eat. Take, for example, a person who ardently advocates for animal rights. They would likely adopt a vegetarian or vegan lifestyle, not primarily driven by health advantages, but rooted in a moral responsibility towards animals. Similarly, an individual who is environmentally conscious might prefer a plant-based diet, recognizing its lesser impact on the planet compared to meat-centric diets. Our dietary preferences, in essence, offer a sneak peek of our inner selves. They represent our self-image, our ideals, our convictions, and our striving to conform to societal standards. When viewed through this lens, they're much more than mere food preferences. They're symbolic of our identity and cognitive processes. So next time you reach out for that salad instead of a steak, or choose a green smoothie over a soda, remember, it's not just about what's on your plate, it's also about what's going on in your mind. Understanding what people eat and why it matters is a complex task, fraught with challenges. Nutrition science struggles with acquiring precise diet data due to the absence of a standardized method. Recording every individual's daily food intake is not feasible, making estimates our go-to. However, these estimates leave data gaps that are expensive and taxing to fill. To resolve this, researchers employ innovative techniques and technologies. They aim to improve data collection and analysis, building global databases, and conducting rigorous analysis of available data. This continuous work has uncovered some concerning trends. For instance, a significant increase in infant formula sales, especially in Asia. This raises concerns as infant nutrition directly influences lifelong health. The data also highlights poor diets for children aged 6 to 24 months, underlining the importance of proper nutrition in youth. This analysis aids us in making well-informed choices about our own diets. Steering through the labyrinth of global nutrition is difficult but vital for the effects of our diets. The journey is complex, but the destination, a healthier, more sustainable world, is worth it. Having understood the challenges of nutrition data, and before we delve into the world of bizarre diets, let's take a moment to speculate. What does the future hold for diets? Soon, we can anticipate a shift towards personalized nutrition, where diets are custom-made to cater to our unique needs instead of generalized eating plans. This could involve genetic testing to find the ideal diet for every individual, signifying a transition towards tailor-made healthcare. Technological advancements will significantly influence our eating habits. From nutrient tracking apps to AI-driven meal planners, our interaction with food is set to evolve immensely. We might even witness the emergence of lab-cultivated meat and vertical farming, potentially transforming our food systems and its impact on our diets. However, these innovations invite crucial inquiries. What will be the effect on our connection with food? Will they facilitate or hinder access to healthy eating? The future of diets is as exciting as it is uncertain. One thing's for sure, it's going to be a delicious journey. As we continue to explore the realm of diets, remember that the ultimate goal is to nourish our bodies, our minds, and our planet. Now, let's dive into the weird and wonderful world of bizarre diets. Throughout history, people have undertaken peculiar diets. The breatharian diet is founded on the Hindu belief of prana, advocating survival without sustenance or hydration, yet posing extreme health hazards. The werewolf diet or lunar diet involves fasting based on the lunar calendar, hoping the moon's gravity helps. But it lacks scientific proof and could result in deficiencies. The tapeworm diet requires ingesting a tapeworm to reduce calorie absorption, leading to serious health risks. The baby food diet recommends substituting 2 meals daily with baby food, promising portion control, but lacking variety might lead to nutrient deficiencies. Lastly, the ice diet includes consuming copious amounts of ice in the hopes of calorie burning. Nevertheless, the weight loss doesn't compensate for potential dental or internal damage. These diets may seem odd, but they provide intriguing insight into our relationship with food. So, what's the verdict on these bizarre diets? Are they beneficial, harmful, or somewhere in between? Venturing into the world of nutrition, it's clear that the impact varies greatly from one person to another. Some food regimens, rich in processed and red meats, could appeal to carnivores yet present significant health hazards. These diets can contribute to various health issues like obesity, heart conditions, and diabetes. Alternatively, diets emphasizing fruits, veggies, nuts, seeds, whole grains, and unsaturated fats are generally considered healthier. They may help maintain an ideal weight, but might not suit everyone. Also, consider the ecological footprint. Regimens high in animal-derived foods contribute to increased carbon emissions and water usage. In contrast, plant-based diets are more sustainable but demand meticulous planning to ensure balanced nutrition. The bottom line is that while certain diets might promise benefits, they also bear potential risks. Before undertaking a diet, it's crucial to understand its specifics. Note that a diet should fulfill your unique nutritional requirements and promote overall wellness. Trendy diets may appear appealing, but without adequate information, they can inflict more harm than benefit. Ultimately, it's critical to remember that what works for one person might not work for another. We've taken a fascinating journey through the world of bizarre diets today. We've examined their effects on health and our planet and how they contribute to pollution. We've also tackled the issue of understanding accurate nutritional details. We have unveiled some strange eating habits and evaluated their pros and cons. Keep in mind, a balanced diet of fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, whole grains, and unsaturated fats is crucial, and minimizing junk food is key. Remember, nutrition isn't one size fits all. What's beneficial for one might not be for another, so always consider your own dietary needs. Subscribe to our channel for more fascinating insights. Until next time, remember, your health is your wealth.